Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the AMD error on your Windows. So just search for device manager here and select it. You're going to open up display adapters, select your device, right click, update driver, search automatically, and if this doesn't show up, go back, select browse my computer for drivers, let me pick, select this one and press next. It's going to restart, so keep that in mind. That doesn't work, right click, go select properties and go to the driver section. If the rollback driver is available, select that because it's for if the device fails after updating the driver, it will roll back to the previously installed driver. If that still doesn't work, install Windows, well update, sorry, you've already installed Windows. Check for updates. As you can see, it's available, download and install, and then restart your PC. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.